Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Soyana bin Sarun, and our group will discuss about the organization of Salcra as well as its challenges in the chosen POLC. For our company background, that is Salcra or Sarawak Land Consolidation and Rehabilitation Authority is a Malaysian government organization based in the state of Sarawak. It was founded in 1976 with the primary purposes of promoting and carrying out land development initiatives throughout the states. The agency focuses on combining small and fragmented land holding, repairing land, and assisting farmers. Salcra is critical to the growth of Sarawak's agriculture sector by promoting the effective use of land resources and enhancing rural residents' livelihood. Oil palm cultivation, pepper planting, and other cash crops are among the agriculture operations undertaken by the organization. And as you can see here in the organization chart, and the founder is Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Dr. Stephen Rundi Anak Utom, Minister for Food Industry, Commodity and Regional Development of Sarawak. And here is the other member of the Salcra.
Hello there, my name is Rafael Requelme and I will talk about the type of technology that Salcra own, including connectivity or machinery. Okay, so first we have aerial drone, known as unmanned aerial vehicles, used for tasks such as crop monitoring, precision agriculture, and land surveying. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can provide valuable data for crop health analysis, yield estimation, and overall farm management. So next is the GPS, often employed for accurate land mapping and surveying. And Salcra uses GPS to precisely map the boundaries of land under its management, track changes in land use, and gather spatial data for planning and decision making. And then for the transportation, it is important for engaging with local communities and stakeholders, which also involves providing transportation for workers and collaborating with local transportation service. It also plays a vital role in logistic and supply chains of agricultural operation. Also, we have Internet of Things, IoT, can be deployed to monitor environmental conditions in and around agricultural areas, which includes tracking biodiversity, assessing the impact of farming practice on ecosystem, and ensuring sustainable land management. And then we have agricultural machinery. The integration of technology, including machinery, has significantly transformed the agricultural sector in Salcra, enhancing productivity, efficiency, and sustainability, and often equipped with advanced technologies enabling precision farming practice. The use of machinery reduced the dependency on manual labor, addressing challenge related to labor shortage and costs. Okay, so those are the challenge faced as impact of the current economic conditions by the organization and how it affects the planning of Salcra. So first, we have economic uncertainty, and then also we have inflation and cost pressures, and lastly, we have currency fluctuations. Okay, so let me explain the economic uncertainty. In times of economic uncertainty, business such as Salcra may hesitate to make long-term plans or investment because they are unsure about what the future holds. This uncertainty can affect things like job security, consumer spending, and also the overall economic growth. Policymakers, business, and household typically closely monitor economic indicators and trends to navigate through uncertain time. And then we have inflation and cost pressures. When inflation occurs, the purchasing powers of money decrease over time, causing prices to go up. This can be due to various factors such as increased demand and rising production costs and or changes in economic conditions. For business such as Salcra, cost pressure means they may face higher expenses for materials, labor, or other input needed for their operations. And then we have currencies fluctuations. The fluctuations of Malaysian ringgit can impact the cost of imported goods and service. As organizations involved in international trade must account for currency risks in their planning, possibly by hedging strategies or negotiating favorable contracts. So, ringgit currency fluctuations happens due to economic changes locally and globally, and this fluctuation can affect the cost of imports, competitiveness of exports, and can impact inflation, which can affect Salcra. Yes.
Hello, my name is Jeremy Arit Rajaratnam, and I'm going to talk about how does the technology advancement affect the organizing in oil palm industry. In this case, we'll be talking about Salcra. There are 3 points that I'll talk about, one of which highlights on training and skill development. Salcra provides e-learning platforms where workers can enhance their skill through online training programs, as well as staying updated on latest farming techniques. As we all know, rural areas have limited access to internet coverage due to their lack of infrastructure, which will be hard to keep the workers updated on current practices. This will be one of Salcra's challenges in order to keep uh, their workers updated on current agricultural practices. The second point highlights on precise agriculture, where implementing smart farming such as drones and satellites may cause challenges towards Salcra in the form of increase of budget as well as teaching the rural farmers in adopting into new and complex technologies. And the last point is talking about automation. In order to adopt efficiency farming in the plantation, Salcra needs to supply machines such as tractors in the rural area plantation. As we know, rural areas is not equipped with safe and clear road system. This caused a challenge towards workers under Salcra to adopt the efficiency needed for the oil palm plantation to be transported to the factory on time. That's all. Bye bye. Love you.
Hello, my name is Dinosan Terence from 82203A. Today we present a part of the leading in the Salcra company. Leading on the oil palm plantation management involves overseeing various aspects of the palm oil production process, including cultivation, harvesting, and processing, while ensuring sustainability and environmental responsibility. This role requires expertise in agronomy, environmental conservation, and business management to optimize the yield, maintain ethical practices, and maximize the profitability in the oil palm industry. First, I will talk about the sustainable practices. One of the primary challenges in oil palm cultivation, especially in Salcra, is ensuring the sustainable practices and compliance with the environmental regulation. Technologies such as IoT sensor and data analytics is revolutionize these aspects. IoT sensor can monitor environmental conditions, and data analytics helps leader to inform decision. This allows us to minimize the environmental impact and meet the sustainability goals effectively. Second is productivity and yield. Another critical challenge is maximize the oil palm productivity and yield while minimizing the resource use. Technology comes to rescue here. Precision agriculture technologies, AI-driven analytics, and genetic engineering are optimized the planting, fertilization, and harvesting practices. This result can higher the yield and reduce the resource wastage. The third one is labor shortage. Managing labor shortage is especially in a remote plantation is a persistent challenge. Entering automation and robotics technology is filling the labor gaps by reducing our dependence on manual labor for the tasks like harvesting and maintenance. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Anamudi and I will explain several challenges that have emerged influencing the organization management, particularly in the task of controlling. So let's begin with data security and privacy. In the digital era, data security is a critical challenge for the oil palm industry, same with the Salcra industry. Safeguarding sensitive data from unauthorized access is imperative. Utilize encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits to counter this threat. A breach in plantation records could lead to severe consequences, compromising yield projection, affecting strategic decisions, and risking financial losses. Moving on to the complexity in data management, addressing data management complexity. The diverse sources like sensors and digital platforms pose a challenge in handling information. Implementing a centralized data management system is crucial for quality and standardized data, especially when integrating from various sources. A structured approach is essential for meaningful analysis and informed decision making. The third challenge is workforce skill gaps. The oil palm industry adoption of automation and data analytics brings transformative changes, but come with challenges, potentially leading to skill gaps. To bridge this divide, establishing comprehensive training programs is crucial. These programs equip employees with skills for operating and troubleshooting new technologies, such as automated harvesting machinery and interpreting data analysis report for enhanced plantation efficiency. This is all from my presentation, and I'll pass to the next presenter.
Greetings, I am Janel. For the conclusions, the integration of technology into a company's POLC function has transformed the business landscape. In planning, business use advanced tools like big data and AI for informed decision-making and strategic planning. Organizational process benefit from project management software and collaboration tools fostering agility. Leadership embrace visual platform and analytic promoting effective communication and talent management. In the controlling phase, real-time monitoring, data analytics, and automation helps companies swiftly identify deviations and ensure compliance. Successful integration requires a strategic approach, ongoing training, and alignment with company goals. This symbiotic relationship fosters innovation, efficiency, and growth, providing a competitive advantage in the evolving global marketplace. That is all for our groups. Thank you.